Hi, hello, namaskaram. This is Lakshmi. It's been a while since we met, right? Now, I'm here today to explain to you certain few things related to Ayurveda or naturopathic things which I've learned from my grandmother or other elders in the family. Reason being, I was away in and out of the hospital for the fact that we had an affinity to have a lot of smoothies at home recently. We didn't have, we truly believe that we don't have winter in Kerala. So we used to have smoothies. Now I understand that I have these, respiratory issues just in case if I have a lot of cold food. But me being me a little overconfident, I went on having that. And then I started having common cold, which we know will just go up within 7 days. So cold was there, I had Allegra, a tablet, I had Cetirizine, it was not going away. Then later on changed to cough. Later on I started having slight fever. So I feel that right now the situation is a little critical because we know that coronavirus is spreading. And India is not far behind. The attack can happen anytime. We do not still know whether there are any dormant recipients of this virus anywhere. Let's not panic. Let's just be vigilant. Let's get ourselves prepared for that. So first thing, in case if you see that you have a common cold or fever, rush to the hospital and meet your physician and don't just slow down. Meet him. He might prescribe, he might diagnose what exactly it is for you. You just don't be the doctor yourself. Then we will go for complementary medicines. What are these complementary medicines? These are medicines which our grandmothers taught us. These are small medicines. Even through Ayurveda, we know these basic things like, about Tulsi, how important Tulsi's role is in case of a sore throat or to remove a common cold. So I have a little few things arranged here just to explain to you. Coronavirus, the first thing we read in forwards is that we must be having lukewarm or at least warm water. The first thing I got myself was a Borosil flask. So I can carry it around. It is not just a steel flask, it is well thermalated flask. So it carries hot water for about 6 to 7 hours. And then what do I have in it? This is it. No, it's not. It looks like beer and all that. No, it doesn't have the fizz. Don't worry. This liquid, you can call itself, this detox water, but it's a beautiful Ayurvedic concoction which will give you the immunity that which you don't have. It's good for kids. It's good for elderly. I'll tell you what all it has. It has our Goa leaf. We call it Perela in Malayalam. So this is the leaf of the Goa tree, and it's very therapeutic. It is very medicinal. And then we have Tulsi. Okay, you can have Rama Tulsi or Krishna Tulsi. Every household will have a Tulsi, definitely in India. And abroad too, if you must grow this, you will have basil leaves. So that is Tulsi. And then there is Ajwain. Okay, so these are like, it looks like jeera, but it is not jeera. It's called carom seeds, or it's called ayamodagam or omam. So that is there. So 3 put together, you get this concoction. Send it to school for your kids. Let them have this lukewarm water. There's nothing wrong drinking it daily. It actually accelerates, you boost your immune system. Then we have a few more things. Vitamin C is a micronutrient which is very essential to boost our immune system. Here we have something which is locally available, that is our Nibu, that is our lemon, lime. You can have fresh lime water. Those who are not diabetic can have it with sugar. And sugar, we say it's a white poison, we try to avoid it. So what we do here is we have lime juice with honey, which is absolutely gorgeous or divine drink. You can have it twice daily. And you also, the best, if you can keep lemon aside, amla, gooseberry, nellika has, it's a store of, greatest store of vitamin C. It's easily available. You can just eat it, or just wash it, eat it as such. At least 2 daily. Make your children also eat the same. Now, if they're not eating this, I basically don't like the raw stuff, to tell you the truth. So what I do is, I cut small pieces of this, put it in the mixer and put some water in it, and then just, I stir it, juice it literally. I sieve it because the pieces will still be there. I sieve it, or you can use a bullet mixer. I sieve it, put some honey again, and then I drink it. So the entire household likes Amla Sharbat, as it is called. Then we also know about Marathi Amla Murabba, which they make. If you can get the recipe, please try making it. Just eat 1 or 2 daily of gooseberries. I forgot to tell about Panikurka. What exactly it is in English, I haven't researched, but I find it out and put it online. This is Panikurka. So when you make this concoction, you can also add Panikurka, and it actually fights fever, which even the medicines can't fight. Because my son was ill for about 10 days. He was on medication. Still, he was not recovering. What I did was, I took these and I crushed these in a mortar and pestle, okay? And then don't use a mixer for that. I crushed these with tulsi and a little bit of, well, it's not palm jaggery, it's actually palm sugar crystals. And you can use shallots, small onions, crush it, take the syrup, and then give it to your child. You can also have it because it's good for sore throat. It removes all the mucus and all the phlegm. So it actually fights germs. So that's more important. And there is another thing called Anu Taila. That instead of using your nasal sprays, which are only saline waters, this Anu Taila is from Kottakkal. A doctor prescribed it to me. And it's actually based on nasya. It is an oil, it's a thylam. Put 2 drops in each nostrils at 6 in the morning, 6 in the evening. Work your way outside sinus. You will be free of sinusitis. And then summer is coming near. You will have a lot of dust. People will have dust allergy. So instead of using high, costly, expensive eye drops, you can use Netramrita. It is also available in Kottakkal. Ask them for Netramrita, and that is its name. There's something I've made. This is like, I've mixed Karpuradi Tailam. It's also available in all the Ayurvedic shops. I've mixed it with Rasnadi. Rasnadi is a powder. It's a mixture of Ayurvedic powders. In Kerala, what we do is, as soon as a child or anyone who's not well comes out of his bath, we apply it on his crown. So what we can do is, this mix of the Karpuradi Tailam and the powder, it can be applied on the forehead of the person who is very ill, who has sinusitis also, and it can be applied on the neck as well. So the phlegm goes off, actually relieves you of all the irritations that you have. So this can be done after a steam. If you take an inhalation steam, this can be done after a steam because all the pores will be open at that time. If we can have a first aid kit at home, why not have all the goodies which our grandmother said or which the Ayurveda has taught us at home? Let it be separate, let it be handy. But these things, because we know there is a virus around the corner. So these are just prepping ourselves, getting our immune system ready. Just in case if there is an attack, just in case there is an epidemic, there is a spread of this virus. Let it not happen. I can tell you, just in case if there is such an issue, this is the mask that you have to use. It is an N95 mask. I tried getting a few of it because these are available with me. It's not for sale. I had it because I was doing soap making, and for me these are the best things. So just in case if you think that there is a issue around you, get these masks for everyone in your family. So these 5 rupee masks that you get are of no use, and use hand sanitizer wherever you go. Hand sanitizers that are commercially available, I don't think it does justice to what it should be doing, like protecting you. This is isopropyl alcohol. These are available in medical stores, I believe, or any laboratory equipment stores. What you do is you mix it with your sanitizers. So wherever you go, mix this thing and keep it. Even if I tell you, don't be afraid. I myself might get anxious because it's not just us who's going to be affected. It's good. Just in case it happens, it ruptures the calm and happiness of the atmosphere. So to tell all this, just keep everything apart, and these are the that you have to follow. Stay safe. In case if you have a cold right now, in case if you have a fever right now, go see the doctor. See, these are just complementary medicines. Stay safe, stay healthy, don't panic. Thank you.